Vizlib Gantt allows you to export from the right-click menu in multiple ways, from image, PDF, full PDF, XL, CSV and TSV. For image exports, we support PNG and JPEG formats. With the settings I chose, the export is the pixel height and width of the Gantt view window. For PDF exports, there's two ways of doing it. There is a predefined letter size, which is this example here, where I select the paper size I want, orientation and the aspect ratio. The PDF downloaded is an A3 landscape orientated Vizlib Gantt. For customers with large Gannts, normal letter size PDFs won't cut it, and this is where the custom export PDF comes in. We export the Gantt full size on the custom PDF, which you can use to present all of your data points on. The final export types of the Gantt are XL, CSV and TSV. Simply click and download the one that suits you best.